Welcome to Math Ninja, where learning feels like play and every challenge is a chance to level up. Today, we are diving in the topic of subitizing with fun, focus, and ninja-style confidence.
Hello, good morning. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Hi, Miss Numbers. Hi, Matt Ninja. How are you guys? I'm good.
I'm fine. So, have you all been revising what we learned in the last classes? What did we learn in the last class, Math Ninja? Can you tell me?
My house, one's house.
Very nice. And Panda? Do you
Yes,
remember?
my house is, yes, 10th house, 10th house.
What was your house called, Panda?
10th house. My house is 10th house.
Tens house. So when the ones become tens, they go into Panda's house. And when the tens all join together and make a big 100, where will they come?
To its
Miss Numbers' house.
Miss Numbers' house.
Yes, it will come to my house, the bigger house, right? So we learned that all numbers have houses. The little numbers going to the are called ones. They go into the ones house. When 10 ones join together, they become a 10. They go into the tens house. When 10 tens join together, they become a big 100. And they go into the hundreds house. Like that, it can go on and on, okay? Numbers can get bigger and bigger, right? So we learn about very big numbers later, okay? So today, let's learn about something else, something different. So I have some pens here and I'm going to show you, okay? Panda, it's your turn. How many pens am I showing now?
Yes, okay. 1, 2, 3. I can count 3 pens, Miss Numbers.
Alright, okay. Now it's Math Ninja's turn, okay? How many pens?
4.
Eh?
Sir,
I'm able to count so fast.
Why did you count? How are you able to count so fast?
one more
practicing.
turn, okay?
I do practice.
Wow, one more turn. Panda, how many?
1, 2. 2 pens. 2 pens, yes.
Okay, nice. Let's try with Math Ninja now.
5 pens.
That was fast.
Yay.
Wow, that is great, Math Ninja. But how are you able to count so fast?
How is Math Ninja able to do that? Even without counting?
I
Yeah?
do practice every day with my color pens.
So you look at your color pens and you're able to make out how many. Is it
Yes.
Math Ninja? How many
Yes.
fingers am I showing now, Math Ninja?
5.
How many fingers am I showing, Panda?
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. But Math Ninja was very fast.
You counted the fingers.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Math Ninja is really fast, right? Just by seeing the fingers, just by seeing the pens, she is able to make out how many, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Oh, so that's a new word that we are going to learn today, and it's called subitizing. Subitizing means we are able to understand the numbers even without counting them. Isn't that great? Yes?
Yes.
So just by
Exactly.
looking at the objects, you are able to say, oh, there are 5 fingers. You said there are 5 pens. Right. Panda, I'll give you a chance. How many eyes do
Okay.
I have?
2.
Did you count now?
No, I did not know. This is magical. Wow, this is great.
This
I
is
was able to count
magic,
without counting.
right?
Yes.
Yes, this is the magic of subitizing. So subitizing means we are able to recognize things or numbers even without counting. Isn't that great? Yes?
Yes,
Panda, how many arms do you have?
2. 1, 2. I don't have to count. I knew it was 2. Yes.
Absolutely, very nice. Math Ninja, can you tell me how many fingers do you have altogether? 10. Very nice.
5, 10.
5
Very
and
nice.
5, 10. Good job. So did you count 1, 2, 3, 4 like that? No. Just by seeing 10 fingers, you were able to say 10. Right. 5, 5, 10. Very nice. So let's do something. Okay. So children, you can also join along. So I want you go to rush and find out in your house how many legs do chairs have.
I'll
Yes.
find out right now.
Find out
Okay.
how many legs does it have. Okay.
Yes, I'm back. 4.
Panda, how many?
4.
4. Did you both count? 1, 2, 3, 4?
No.
No.
I knew it was 4. Yes. I
You
looked at
knew
I
it was
knew.
4, right? So you were just able to understand. Just by looking at the lens, you looked at it and you understood, oh, there's 4. You don't have to count. Correct. Yes, so you are subitizing. Okay, so this is what we mean by subitizing. All right, so we are going to do something here. I'll take a dice, I'll roll it. And you have to say how many dots you see on the screen without counting.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Done. Yes, ready.
So let's roll our
Ready,
dice. Set,
right.
go.
4.
6.
Ready,
Six.
set.
I knew 6.
Did you count?
No, I did not count. I know it's
You
X
did
on the
not
dice.
Matt
Yes.
Ninja, did you count?
No.
No, you did not count. You were able to see 6 dots, right? So we are not going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Just by looking at the dots, you know. One more time.
1,
That was simple. Just 1 dot.
2.
Very simple.
I am fantastic at it. 6 again. Yes.
6 again. Now, as soon as we
I
see
am
these
winning
dots
everything.
arranged like this, we know there are 6 dots here, right? Yes?
Yes.
One more.
5.
Good job. You got 5 too. Lovely. So we are able to understand how many dots are here just by looking at them. Yes?
This
So
is
now
great.
things outside and all, will you be able to make out without counting? Yes.
Yes.
So when you are standing outside your house and you see a few cars passing by, will you be able to understand even without counting? Yes, 3 cars passed by like that.
Yes.
Yes. All right. So this is something new that we have learned today. Yeah.
Miss Number, small numbers we can do this way, but how about big numbers? How do we count them?
That's a good
Oh.
question, Math Ninja. Panda, do you
I
know?
know it.
No, I don't know.
Math Ninja,
Big
no. So why
numbers.
don't you tell us?
How can
Why
you do
don't
big
you tell
numbers?
us? No.
Group of 10s. I pass it to Panda's house.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes, now I
You can
remember.
count.
Yes.
You can count using groups of numbers, right? So we already learned about place value. We learned that there are groups of 1s, there are groups of 10s, there are groups of 100s. So if you need to count a big number, you can count in 10s. You can count 10, 20, 30. You don't have to go on counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, right? So if you want to count the hundreds, how will you count? 100, 200. Yes. So
Okay.
as soon as you see a tower of 10, you know there are 10 in it. So you just say 10. When you see a block of 100, you just say 100. You don't go on counting everything, right? So you instantly recognize them. Yes? Yeah? All right.
Awesome. This is magical. Wow. I never knew I can count numbers like this. I always used to
1
go
minute,
1,
Miss.
2, 3,
1 minute, Miss
4.
Number.
Yes,
Panda.
Panda.
Yes.
How many pens do I have?
5. I can never. 5. Yes.
Yay! Good
I'm
job.
great at it now.
Good job. Awesome. So that's a new thing we learned today. Yeah? All right. So that's all for today. Bye.
Bye, Miss Numbers. Bye,
Bye.
Ninja. See you
Thank
next
you.
time. Thank you
Bye.
so much.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe now and gear up for your next Math Ninja mission.